Hello everyone, this is Nice Trick. When you see no light on your dash sitting here, except this one, it's for light burn. This is light when it's burn, one of the light like signal or any of those. You can see this one. Once you replace it, this light will go. This is for seat belt. But when you see something, another light, I'll show you. Come with me, I'll show you. I'm just gonna remove, this is a sensor brake fluid. Let's remove this. Now it's removed. Come back here. See, when I move this, now you can see this thing. See, I remove this one. Now when you look to the dash, this is a sensor for, when you look to the dash, you see warning light. This is a brake warning light. It tells you something wrong with your brake. So the first thing you need to check is the fluid. If you have a low fluid, add. If there's a leak or something else, you know, but that's what is one of the warning light. As soon as I put this thing back in, take a look now. The light is gone. Thank you. All the best.